Most Chinese guys, their eyebrow is inadequate density. Today we're going to review day 7 Smart FUE eyebrow transplant done for this patient. This is the harvesting area, nape of the neck. Day 7, we can see it already heal rapidly in the Smart FUE technique. Day 7 today, we are looking at the angle, the direction, and the density. Here healed very well. Microscope already been shed off, and now we can see all the area that we planted the graft still there, intact and in the right direction. This is on the left side, this is on the right side. So it's symmetrical. The angle, the direction is according to the international standard of the natural eyebrow. The hair that we took from behind is the same caliber as the existing eyebrow. This is from the nape of the man.